officer. That is the reason to have a interdepartmental coordination. This Sneha Club was established in the year 2001 with a limited officers gathering in a hotel. After due exchanging of the views, the organization or an institution, whatever you say, a club or association is named as Sneha. You know very well, Sneha means a friendship or Maitri. Initially, everyone thought that Sneha Club means, what is this? It's a club like any other Walter club or Lions Club. But the brainchild of Bhagyarao is to have a similar to lines. Why don't we, like SC, STs, BCs, have a separate organization to exchange of views or to help among us, respect each other, and exchange views or ideas or help. Therefore, in the similar lines, he has drawn the structure of a Sneha Club. No SC, ST or BCs organization, including minorities organization, having this structure and continuing in the same line, like one man, one path, and one organization like. Nowhere people take a pledge in these organizations, in these associations or society. But here, when we take a position of a president or executive committee member or whatever, we take a pledge here that we do work for the Sneha and we will not propagate bad on this. And if I am not interested, I will quit the organization. But I never say bad on the organization. And no society, association is going to refund the membership fees except Sneha. Because as long as is a member is having a right, every right in the organization to speak, but at the same time, when he quits out, he is no more a member and he cannot speak anything on the organization. That's the reason we can see one or two examples here also. When a person quits, says something bad, he was given a challenge also, but no one could stand for the challenges given by the club. From 2001 till 2020, if you see the milestones, how the Sneha has no organization related to Sneha is can be said or say is not developed. Everything, every organization started by Sneha Club or related to Sneha Club, started by the founder, Sri Bhagya Rao, are taking growth and developing and marching ahead for its aim and objectives. From Sneha Club to now we have come to PARS level. You know, PARS means Phule Ambedkar Rajniti Samiti. So the first aim and objective of the founder when establishing a Sneha Club is to have an interdepartmental coordination among SC, STs. Later we extended to BC and minorities. Now, his vision, his aim, his objective or his dream is that the Bahujans should rule as was dreamt by our leader, father or redeemer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that is master key. Master key is the political power. So his goal, aim, object and the dream is that we should be in a position and we should rule. So with that concept, now the latest organization is PARS was started and it's working on its own goal. Now again coming to Sneha Club, started at Visakhapatnam as a headquarters and spread it throughout the country. Of course, 3 states are very active and very well established are AP, Telangana and Karnataka. We can see all these 3 states, every district level we have our branch clubs. And all the 3 states we have state committees. Rest of the country, other the states, we have a committee but are not very active like these 3 states because we are not campaigning and there is a little language problem to them also. And happy to say that we do have foreign clubs, our members, life members from other countries. Those Indians are our members settled in other countries also took life membership in Sneha and now and then they are also donating and interacting with us. Sneha Club or Sneha organizations has its own brand image. You go anywhere and say that you are from Sneha, Sneha Club, Sneha TV, or Sneha Max, you will be recognized because everywhere 1 or 2 members from these organizations you can find. So that's how we got our brand image everywhere. I can quote number of examples how I was recognized in other departments also when I go for small work. where I don't know anybody, where I don't have any friend. And there are some people, they have given their own examples, how they were recognized and given help by the persons belongs to Sneha Club. So all the Sneha members, Sneha Club members are directly or indirectly all members in these all 16 organizations. And all the 16 organization members are directly or indirectly linked to the Sneha Club. That's how it was built up and made a structure for the development of the poorest of the poor of the society. With this, I conclude and I request the audience to come and share their experiences here till the chief guest arrives. Thank you very much and Jai Bhim.
If you like this video, please like it, share it, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel.